to repair corrupted USB, memory card and pen drive without any software. Believe me guys, it's very easy. Just like I have connected my USB, but it is not showing any space as it is corrupted, unreadable. Now if you click on it, you will see this kind of error. So simply click on OK. Now let's fix it. How? Go to start menu, click on all programs. Actually we have to open command prompt. You can directly open command prompt or you can click on all programs. Click on all programs, click on accessories, click on command prompt here. Okay, here you go. Now simply write this part, hit enter key. Now you will see such kind of statements. Wait a little, you will come to this kind of statement here. Now write list disk. It will show you the all disk connected to your system. Now as you can see, disk 2 is 7540 MB, means it is my USB. Now simply select it and repair it. How? Right, select disk 2, hit enter key. It is selected. Now write clean. It will clean the viruses of our USB. Now it is successfully cleaned. Now write create partition primary. This create partition primary. Hit enter key. It is successfully done. Now write format fs equal FAT32. Hit enter key. It will start repairing your USB from 0% to 100%, and finally this kind of window will be opened with options as your USB is successfully repaired. As you can see, it is showing space now, means it is successfully repaired. Thank you, and yes, don't forget to subscribe.